Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome forgotten password on Google Play Store account on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you forget to your Google Play Store account, don't need to be worried and don't need to be panic because you can reset the password on your Google Play Store account easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first now you can go to Google Play Store on your cell phone, and then now you can click on the right top and go to Google account. And then here now you can find the security, and after that now you can scroll down and go to password. And to reset the password, firstly you can verify your data, and after that now you can change the password into new password, and here the password changed successfully. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to overcome forgotten password of Google Play Store, and thank you so much for watching.